Hey guys, Old Beater Cars Workshop. Well, here's my next project for 2021. Uh, Anyways, this is going to be car be dedicated to highway maintenance. I seen some pictures online I really liked and other stuff, and I thought, well, I know back when from the 60s, even 70s, highway maintenance they used station wagons, even panel vans for transferring their personnel or small equipment and so forth. And I thought this would be a perfect car for this. I'm going to build it stock and just add some details to it and add some badging to the side of it for highway department. And, just go all stock. Take all these chrome wheels out and just build a plain Jane 66 Chevy station wagon. Now, I know this one here has a bunch of goodies in it, which you're going to have to modify to make it look the part. It has that special hood, and you take that out. Just go plain Jane hood on that. It has the big block in it, we'll take that out, but it's the regular plain Jane small block Chevy, probably 283 or something. Resembling something like that. Plain Jane motor, probably 3 on the tree maybe, or automatic, depending on what they had back in at that time frame. So for that, probably automatic for something like this, and probably do something a little bit different with the suspension. Probably beef it up a little bit. Like with a station wagon, so it'll be hauling heavy stuff. So maybe add heavier leaf springs. Actually, I'm not too sure. I can't remember what these cars would have had. Leaf springs or coilovers. I don't remember what they have, but we're going to beef up the rear suspension a little bit to haul heavy weight if you need to. So yeah, it's the next project. 66 Chevelle, done stock, and it's going to be dedicated towards the highways department. Probably paint it, I don't know what color, probably blue or yellow, or well, probably something would have been painted, whatever color it would have been painted in the 60s, 66, right? Alright, it's my next project. I'll just post it up on there, so stay tuned for that update on that car. Also, I'm going to be entering the motorcycle build. I forget who putting it on now. I have to pick a motorcycle that's going to be, which I want to use for that project coming up. And I think Transition Modeler, he had talked about it, and I got to find a motorbike that I want to do for that. Anyways, stay tuned for this project coming up.